Hey everyone, get ready to bring that famous restaurant taste right into your kitchen. Today we're making those irresistible, fluffy, melt-in-your-mouth Texas Roadhouse rolls. They're surprisingly simple to recreate, and your family will absolutely love them. You'll need warm milk, active dry yeast, a touch of sugar, and some all-purpose flour. Don't forget a little salt and butter for that perfect richness. These basic pantry staples are all it takes to create magic. First, activate your yeast in the warm milk and sugar. Then, gradually add your flour and salt, mixing until a soft dough forms. Knead it for a few minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Let it rise in a warm place until it's doubled in size. Patience is key here. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and roll it out. Cut into squares, then place them on a baking sheet. Let them rise one more time for about 20 minutes. Bake until golden brown, then brush with melted butter right out of the oven. These warm, buttery rolls are perfect with any meal, or simply on their own. They're a fantastic addition to family dinners and potlucks. Get ready for compliments and requests for the recipe. Enjoy every single bite.